A little boy named Leo always dreamed of finding a magical rainbow. He imagined its vibrant colors stretching across the sky, leading to grand adventures. One sunny afternoon, after a gentle spring shower, he looked out his window and gasped. There it was, a magnificent rainbow, shimmering with every color, arched gracefully across the sky. With a joyful shout, Leo raced outside, following the brilliant arc. At the meadow's end, a familiar giggle echoed. There, bathed in a soft glow, were his imaginary friends, Sparkle the fairy and Giggles the cloud creature. They cheered, eyes sparkling. "You found us, Leo," Sparkle exclaimed. They immediately began to play, chasing through fields of wildflowers, playing tag and hide and seek. Their laughter filled the air. Every moment was pure magic. As the sun began to dip, a gentle voice called Leo home. He hugged Sparkle and Giggles, promising to return. Waving goodbye, he walked home, his heart warm and full. He smiled, knowing his wonderful friends would be waiting after the next rain.